Hey moms and dads and grandmas and grandpas, I'm going to go over how to give this next mastery test. So as you can see over here next to the video, it has the directions, and then below are the two words that your child's going to sound out and then read the fast way. So this is how you'll do it. You're going to tell them, and you're going to say the part in blue. You're going to say to your child, you're going to read this word, and you're going to be pointing to this word right here. First you'll sound it out, then you'll say it the fast way. So what you're going to do is you're going to put your finger here on the big ball on the first word, and then you're going to move it to the first sound, and you're going to ask them, what sound are you going to say first? And they should respond with eh, because you want to keep your finger here for 3 seconds, so they're holding it for at least 3 seconds. Now while they're saying eh, I want you to ask them the next question saying, what sound are you going to say next? And then move your finger to the next ball, at which time they're going to say and then you'll respond with yes, and then you're going to pop your finger back, and then you're going to say, okay, it's time to sound it out. At this point, I would remind them not to stop between the sounds. Then you'll say, get ready, and then you move your finger while they say the sound. It should sound like this. If, and then you'll stop, and then you're going to say, again, I want you to sound it out. Don't stop between the sounds. Get ready, and then they'll say, if. Make sure they do not stop between those two sounds. Okay, then you're going to say it the fast way. And then you're going to swipe to the second ball and straight back. And they should say if. And then you're going to respond with, yes, you read the word if. So basically, if we do it, I'll show you what you're going to do without me responding as the child. So you're going to say, you're going to read this word. First you'll sound it out, then you'll say it the fast way. Tell me, what sound are you going to say first? Yes, eh. What sound are you going to say next? Yes. Okay, time to sound it out. Don't stop between the sounds. Get ready. Nice job. Do it again. Get ready. Great job sounding it out. Now you're going to read it the fast way. What word? Yes, if. All right, and then you'll do the same thing down here. So you're going to say, you're going to read this word. First you'll sound it out, then you'll say it the fast way. What sound are you going to say first? Now make sure when they say the sound, you remind them that they need to pucker like they're going to blow bubbles or blow a kiss. And then they should say, and then you're going to say, yes, and then you're going to move your finger here, and you're going to say, what sound are you going to say next? And they're going to say, ah, and then you'll say, ah, for 3 seconds. And then you're going to pop your finger to the next sound saying, what sound are you going to say next? And they should say, and you'll say, yes, and then you're going to say, okay, time to sound it out. Don't stop between the sounds. Usually when it's more than 2 sounds, I will remind them to take a deep breath. And if you find that your child is running out of air when there's a bunch of letters, remind them not to push the sounds out really hard. Because if they take a deep breath and then they're like, something like that, then they're going to run out of air. So I will show them, you're just going to sound it out lightly. So take a deep breath, and then they should sound like this. And then, of course, you'll say, great job. It's time to sound it out again. Don't stop between those sounds. Take a deep breath. Get ready. Nice job sounding it out. Now you're going to say it the fast way. Get ready. And then pop your finger straight out to this ball. Pop it back. And they should say ram. And you're going to say, yes, you said the word ram. And that's the end. All right. You guys are going to do a great job. Thank you so much. Talk to you later.